Lakers star Anthony Davis had to check out of tonight's game in the fourth quarter after suffering an apparent back injury. Pagkaraan ng maikling oras away from the action, kinumpirma ni Davis pagkatapos ng laro na good to go for the crucial play-in game. While Lakers fans were thrilled to get the win, they were crushed to see Davis go down late in the game and some thought it could be a season ender. After such a surprisingly healthy season from him, this would have been the worst time to suffer a setback. Fortunately, the Lakers have diagnosed the issue as back spasms and there should be no lasting pain for Davis. Injuries are just a fact of life in the NBA and the Lakers know good and well how damaging they can be. Sa karamihan ng kanilang oras na magkasama, sina LeBron at Davis have had to deal with injuries non-stop man ay para sa kanilang sarili o sa kanilang mga kasamahan sa Lakers. Sa kabutihang palad, mukhang naiwasan sila ng injury bug sa ngayon at maaari silang can roll into the postseason at full strength. While LeBron James may be the veteran and leader of the Lakers, it's Anthony Davis who is most essential to their success. Bilang isang premier, two-sided NBA big man, isa si Davis is one of the best in the business and he's been on a particularly impressive tear this season. Sa 75 laro, nag-average siya ng 24.6 puntos, 12.7 rebounds, at 3.5 assists kada laro sa 55% shooting. Ang kanyang pinakamahusay na kategorya ay sa depensa, kung saan ipinadarama niya ang kanyang epekto sa average na 2.4 block bawat laro. When healthy, madaling maging top-10 player si Davis sa laro at masasabing isa sa pinakamahusay na bigs sa liga. Kung siya ay nakompromiso sa anumang paraan, it could jeopardize the entire mission and eliminate all hope of a run. From the jump, the Lakers will have their hands full dealing with Zion and the Pelicans and it will take a complete and total effort to stay alive. Higit pa sa play-in, kakailanganin nilang harapin ang Denver Nuggets sa unang round. Sa kabutihang palad, makitid na nakaiwas si Davis sa injury at tila hindi maaapektuhan ang kanyang availability sa play-in. Tanging ang mga stars sa buong lakas ay makakagawa ng ingay ang koponan na ito at hanggat ang Lakers ay may LeBron at Davis na healthy, they can never be counted out for the Larry O'Brien.